Hello, hello. Do you like school? I don't. I really don't. But unfortunately, I still go to school. Shocker. So I have to do these things called school projects since I still go to school, and those are really fun, right? Yeah. Woo. Anyways, for school, I have to build a Rube Goldberg machine, and if you don't know what a Rube Goldberg machine is, my teacher described it as Marble Run on steroids. Interesting. So, we were given this project about maybe 2 months or so before it was due, and that's cool and all, but right now I only have 2 weeks left. All right, so we're gonna make most of this project 3D printed. Why? Well, I got a 3D printer, so I want to use it. So we're going to print out these honeycomb thingies that I found on Printables. Link in the description, check it out. And what these things are, they are storage units, vertical storage units, whatever, who cares. You stick them onto your wall, you stick shit into them, and then they store stuff. That's about it. But what I want to do is I want to take it, throw it on the floor, and then stick stuff into it. And I need about 9 of these things, and each one takes about 18 hours or so to print. So yeah! So we're gonna take these thingies that I made and stick them into the honeycombs, and by sticking this little peg here into the thingy, I can stack the pillar thingies like a toy, just like this. And I need to stack them up to 1 meter high because of requirements. Requirements? Oh right, this is a school project and it has a bunch of requirements that I need to, do so that I don't get a big fat 0. Anyways, here's a picture. Got all that? Great. Problem is, when you stack them up really high, they also get really wobbly. So, one pillar and peg take about 2 hours to print, and I need about 30 or 40 of these things at the very least. And combine that with the 19-hour honeycomb prints, you can probably do the math and tell we're on a bit of a time crunch. So we're gonna need to keep the printer running efficiently if we're gonna be able to finish the project. We're going to need to keep it running efficiently, keep it running 24/7 for 2 weeks. I only printed the most necessary things possible that I need in order to finish this project.
I asked you what you made, and what is this? Why? God help us. Oh, is it good too? Oh my god. You gotta show the teacher this.
Alright, so we have our pillars and our base, and we also need a track now, for the marbles to actually run on. And to do that, we have our little end piece thingies here, which will be holding this steel wire together. And then we also have these little support thingies that I 3D printed, which will hold the steel wire together so that marbles don't slip through the crack, and it should snap in place. Just like this. And then we also stick the end of the steel wire into the end pieces here. Problem is, you might notice steel wire is a little bendy, so we're gonna need to fix that. How? Well, first we take some bendy wire like this one right here, and then we stick one end into a vise, or anything to hold it well. And if you have a friend, you could get them to do that, but I don't have friends. And then you grab the other end of the steel wire, and then you grab some pliers. And then you grab the other end of the steel wire, and then you grab some pliers, and then then you just twist the other end, bend it like 90 degrees or something like that, as you can see here. And then once you've done that, you take a drill, you put it in the drill, you twist around, and then you start using the drill, or whatever you have for a drill, or use for a drill. And yeah. You pull on the drill while making it go spinny spinny. Do a little testicular torsion. And camera here is shaky because it's in my mouth. I'm holding it in my mouth, and also my phone's really busted. Do that a bunch of times, you get a bunch of wires, you put them in these support thingies, and then we got our first track going, as you can see here. So, originally I wanted to make a robot arm to move the marble from one place to another, but no time. So instead, we're gonna make a catapult. All right, to make a catapult, we're gonna make our own spring because we need a strong spring. None of that shit you find in fucking pencils. And how do we do that? Well, not that fucking hard. It's not hard at all. You just take some steel wire like this one right here, and then you wrap it around a cylinder object. That's literally it. It's not hard. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. All right, here's the spring. It works like normal springs, you know. You can pull on it. You can also push it. Yeah. And then we're gonna go 3D print the catapult arm and gears and stuff. Yeah. Alright, so originally I wanted to make a 3D printed base for thingies to slide into, but time is a problem. So we're just gonna slap it on a piece of wood. Next we have these black support things that have holes in them. Since I originally wanted to 3D print a base to slide things into, they have tilted bottoms, but now I need them to not have that. Since we're just using a piece of wood now, so we can just print some stuff and fix that. And now we can put down our gears and stuff, yeah. Battery time! Next we plug this shit in, see if it works or if it blows up. It looks like it's working, so that's pretty cool. Good thing I didn't make a bomb inside my classroom, so yeah. Alright, now we're gonna attach the catapult arm thingy and check if that works. Cool. It doesn't fucking kill itself or blow up. Great. No bomb. Unfortunate. It has been a bit of time and project's due tomorrow. But hey, look at this! We have our whole stuff here. 3D printed, yeah. Put together. Steel wire tracks, yeah. Great, great, great. Not great. There is a tiny problem. One of the requirements is that the marble course has to run for 45 seconds. And this thing only runs for 10. And also, there's like a whole bunch of requirements that are missing from this. It's just like a simple straight track with a vertical loop. That's it. That's all that's here right now. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And this project is due tomorrow. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see how that goes, I guess. All right, it has been a few minutes or so, I think, since the last recording. But yeah, I've done a bit of brain pooping, and I think I have a solution. I'm gonna use the catapult. Of course, I'm gonna use it. Why else would you build it? But yeah, I'm gonna use the catapult, put it at the bottom of the 3D printed part, and then we are going to shoot the marble, going like, pew! And then we're going to send it to another compartment, which will extend the runtime and hopefully fulfill all the other requirements that we have to, you know, do. And, you know, it's due tomorrow, so we don't have a lot of time. So I don't have enough time to, you know, use the 3D printer to 3D print the shit that I need. So instead, we're just going to go back to plain old cardboard, paper, popsicle sticks, and lots of hot glue. Because that is the good old-fashioned building stuff. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're going to do. See ya. Another update. Cardboard stuff seems to be going pretty well, and I think that I should be able to finish by tonight. Maybe. As long as I don't get distracted. Why the fuck did that take me so long? So I got distracted again and kind of spent about 4 hours or so kind of just throwing marbles into the thingy. So yeah, I'm very productive. But anyways, after not sleeping, I finished it. I think. So yeah, time to bring this shit to school. I don't know if it'll work or not. It probably won't work, honestly, but I don't care anymore. Who would have guessed? Shit does not work at all. Like, does not work. That's what happens when you build something at like 5 a.m. man. But you know, if I don't go to class, then I have like 2 to 3 hours to try to fix it. So gonna do that. Yeah. Don't go to school, kids.
You can't remove them.
We got.
What?
Are you actually gonna take?
Huh?
Is this gonna be part of our project? That's okay. That's okay.
Why are you like staring outside? Are the cops after you?
Oh no. Is that guy an employee or a teacher?
Are you still going up? Are you still thinking about the microwave?
No, don't worry about it. Ta-da!
Just the men whom I was looking for.
Shut up.
What hell is this?
It's called a Marvel project. When this stops going, Jordan snaps.
Why is it?
Oh, it's so bouncy.
Huh?
Did you say spawn rates?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spawn. What the hell is called spawn rate?
Chronically online.
Chronically online.
Bro, why are you doing it again? This is like the 5th time.
Because it's funny.
Good. Hey, do you want to see our boys? Ah, shit.
Did you want to swore you accomplish blogs?
Yeah. Did she say it?
No, she did.
I said it.
No way. We understand.
Why would you swear?
Because fuck internets!
Exactly.
What's wrong with you? Maybe you shouldn't do that. Yes.
Notice how he didn't feel any pain from that. I just theory.
You're a masochist.
This is my theory. Jordan's a vampire.
Well, that's a pretty good theory.
Yeah. He hates the sunlight. You ever seen him eat anything? At least I've never seen him eat anything. Will you help me complete my school dream of stealing a microwave?
Maybe. I don't know.
You're gonna be lookout.
What am I looking for?
Teacher.
Alright, I'll
Anyone who
look.
doesn't want me to sleep.
Alright, I'll look.
Then failed microwave sift attempt later.
Be honest. When Tears of the Kingdom,
Hell yeah, I am.
you know a guy called supertf?
The only guy I know is Super Mario.
Alright, damn, not bad. Wow.
Library open.
Yes. Oh my god, what
You're a fucking idiot! That was on purpose!
what the fuck did you do?
Drop a bunch of marbles. Hey guys, guess what? Shit still does not fucking work at all. But I've run out of time. And class is about to start soon, so I have to actually, like, you know, bring this thing up. So, we're gonna see how that goes, I guess. Fun! Alright guys, welcome to my physics class. You can see it's fucking disgusting. There's just gum under everywhere.
Sometimes I like to pretend it's like spackle, and the engineers forgot to remove it. Deep down, I really know it's gum.
Okay, so anyways, we set up the project and we're gonna test it out now.
You just passed me the phone.
Whoa! Absolute bloody genius! I forgot that the motor needs to be held down or else it doesn't bloody work! And now, the catapult is weaker! Why? I don't know!
Did it work?
You don't need to be a fucking genius to tell that that did not work! And I failed now! Whoa! Big fat 0! Just kidding. Luckily, my teacher said I could submit a video of it working, so I brought it home and used movie magic editing to make it look like it works. So, you know, I didn't fail. Very cool. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and the thing worked, like, once every 20 times, but hey, it worked once, which is all that actually matters. And you know what I learned from doing this video? Consequences don't fucking matter. You can do whatever the fuck you want and somehow get away with it. Deadlines don't matter, all that shit do not fucking matter. You could just skip all of it and still get away with it. And if you like the video, like and subscribe. If you like this type of video where I do a project, yeah, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I do have some more projects lined up to do in the future, which should be coming out in the next few weeks if I'm not, you know, incredibly lazy and procrastinate a lot and my ADHD brain doesn't get distracted by the slightest thing. And if you know what these things are, I don't want to show the QR code, then this will probably be what my next project will be about, if you know what the heck this thing is. I have 2 of them, which is pretty cool. I'm not gonna say what it's for because spoilers, but yeah. Otherwise, that is it. Video end. Bye bye.